Good morning, children. All learned the alphabets and the sounds. So have you practiced that? Now I'm going to take one step a little different from that. Okay? And give you an example of what they are called. Now we have 26 alphabets from A to Z. We have 26 alphabets in all. Out of that, we have 5 alphabets. It's called A, E, I, O, U. And these alphabets are called vowels. That is, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So vowels are 5 alphabets. So out of 26, if I take away 5, I have 21 remaining. Now if these 5 are called vowels, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. What is the other 21 called? The other 21 alphabets are called consonants. Consonants. They are called consonants. So we have 5 vowels, 21 consonants. Words that start with these alphabets will have article in front of it. Okay? So this vowels will start with an. So let's see one example. Give me an example for A. You have there, take it from there, from the picture. You have A-P-P-L-E, apple. Now you didn't say a apple, one apple only. E, it doesn't have, it's not a plural, it's one. So you say an apple. If you write A, which is pronounced as a apple, that is wrong. And you need to add an apple for vowels. Next we have E. Give me a word with E. Let me take an easy word. Let me take egg. What will come here? What did I tell you in the first instance? When you have a vowel and you're talking about one singular, it is an egg. An egg. An elephant. I. Let us take the easy one. I'll say ice cream. Ice cream. Come on now, you tell me what has to come in front of ice cream. I is a vowel. Yes or no? Yes. So it's a vowel. So what has to come before a vowel? It is for a singular. It is an ice cream. For these vowels, if you use A, which is a apple, a egg, a ice cream, it is wrong. Next is O. What word will you use for O? Let's say owl. Or you can say orange. Here again, what do I need to do? When I am reading, when I am saying it, or when I am writing, it has to be an. This is right. And then you have, as usual, the U is umbrella. I'm sure all of you know what will come here. A and an. So, A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels. Any word that starts with these 5 vowels will start with an for a singular word. An apple, an egg, an ice cream, an owl, an umbrella. Okay? Now the rest of the consonants, let's take bat, let's take cat, dog, and monkey. Now, are these B, C, D and M, are they vowels? No. What are they called? They are called consonants. So, they will start with A. When A stands alone, you will pronounce it as A, not A. A bat, A cat is wrong. A bat, a cat, a dog and a monkey. Okay children? So is it very clear? Out of 26 alphabets from A to Z, it is divided into two. One is 5 letters and the other one is, tell me, 21 letters. The 5 letters are important and it has certain rule. It is called vowels and any word starting with a vowel will start with an for a singular word. The other alphabets other than the 5 vowels, the rest of it are called consonants. So what did we learn in this class? It's a very short class but very important when you write, to write correctly 5 vowels, 21 consonants. For vowels, any word starting with a vowel will start with an. An apple, an owl, an egg, an ice cream, an umbrella. A, E, I, O, U. You have to learn this by heart and it will come automatically. There's nothing difficult, so don't worry. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. The rest are consonants. And they all start with a bat or the bat, a cat, the cat. It can start with that. But these vowels for singular words will start with an and not a, not a, not a. Okay? Clear children? Do you have any doubts? If you have doubts, play the video again, listen to it and make your own words, make your own sentences and use these little rules. An in front of vowels. A, which is A, in front of consonants. Okay? Okay, thank you. Love you guys.